damn. Whipping in the pot stand. Cut the work, then I whip it down the pot stand. Po on a 10-4, looking for the Benz or looking for the coupe 10-4. 24-hour trips when I send for them bricks, then I whip it down the Crenshaw. Niggas owe me in the hood like the rent or niggas know I got the work with that sword off. Sawdust if you talking quite robust. Semi-auto pays, I'm in no rush. Gold medallions on my neck like a gold rusher. I'm a poker in the game, I am so flush. Whip the Hummer around the hood, call it coke buster. Coca-Cola bottle shake, then you know us. I can never fall in love, this is so luster. Rose gold, white diamonds, call it coke ruster. Let me screw you to the game, boy. You about to enter to the runway to kill you for the commissary. And your mission is to fish for the weak. Keep them coming to the church of the streets like a missionary. And your words need meaning like a dictionary. So a nigga act up, then you hit him with a butt. Get that man a tummy tuck, get that man so stuck till a nigga get the picture like a Pictionary. So why you in the game for? Cause the coke raw, niggas getting money, so you fixing up to get yours. Cause you tired of being poor, want the limo with the doors, eating hors d'oeuvres, pulling to the curb. Or you a type of nigga that'll make the gun squirt. You a type of nigga hit him with the drum work. You a type of nigga that'll make a bum twerk. Hit a nigga to his chest till his lung jerk. Goddamn young and listen to an OG. I've been running 8-9 to the 03. Politicians in the game still owe me. I remember when my OG told me, stealth mode, silent killer on the low key. You niggas get a little money, then you OD. Locked down, now you niggas lost the whole key. I used to re-up same day by the OZ. I was born in the game like 2-3. 5 shots to a nigga like 2-3. Young nigga on the block like 2-3. Number 1 and you niggas like 2-3. Used to pull up in the Benz like who he. Skirt back to your lens with the Uzi. Slumped over on your man with the doobie. Then I scream I do you, I'ma do me. Get work, nigga get work. Just remember about the codes in the network. Keep the hustle on a low, build your net worth. Then you hop about the game, it is not worth street cred or the fame when the guns blow. Too many niggas in the game had to dig dirt. And these niggas ain't your friends when the funds low. Pay attention what an OG said first. Get work, nigga get work. Just remember about the codes in the network. Keep the hustle on a low, build your net worth. Then you hop about the game, it is not worth street cred or the fame when the guns blow. Too many niggas in the game had to dig dirt. And these niggas ain't your friends when the funds low. Pay attention what an OG said first. You youngins come up in the game like Mordorf. So flashy, all white with the doors off. Wrong nigga caught his eye when you showed off. Now you scheming with the 9 about to blow off. Ran some shit, limbs cut toes off. Information from your hoes, tip hoes off. Man, a nigga so low when he load off. I seen a nigga hit a baby, then he rolled off. You sure you ready for this road? You a road dog? When you tally up the bodies, it's a whole loss. Blood work on your hands like the Red Cross. Be the leader of the gang or a dead boss. Every nigga wanna block, knock blocks off. If you really wanna pop, knock blocks off. If you a baby in this game, knock blocks off. This is school of hard knock, this is not soft.
You an OG right from the 03. I know the game subpar, we the bogeys, but a lot did change on the low key. If you give a cold shoulder, then you hold heat. And I finna smoke you for you smoke me. YOLO, the new code for the old streets. Death come to a chicken or a roast beef. If I see 2-3, I'm an OG.
A young nigga on his block tried to move cash. I tried to hold a nigga back, but he too fast. He approached young boy with the new swag. One thing he ain't know is the kid strap. He stepped back and got at new hat. Broad day like Broadway's new act. A couple words on exchange with the news flash. Then the nigga fell flat like a new Mac. Get work, nigga get work. Just remember about the codes in the network. Keep the hustle on a low, build your net worth. Then you hop about the game, it is not worth street cred or the fame when the guns blow. Too many niggas in the game had to dig dirt. And these niggas ain't your friends when the funds low. Pay attention what an OG said first. Get work, nigga get work. Just remember about the codes in the network. Keep the hustle on a low, build your net worth. Then you hop about the game, it is not worth street cred or the fame when the guns blow. Too many niggas in the game had to dig dirt. And these niggas ain't your friends when the funds low. Pay attention what an OG said first.